Are you planning your wedding? While you focus on your big day, have you considered how your marriage might impact your finances? Let's explore why an antenuptial contract, or ANC, might be one of the smartest decisions you can make for your future. Did you know that South Africa has 3 marriage regimes? And one might leave you sharing more than just your love story. Understanding how your marriage regime impacts your financial rights is essential for making informed decisions. In South Africa, there are 3 marriage regimes, namely in community of property, out of community of property with the incorporation of the accrual system, and out of community of property without the incorporation of the accrual system. Without an antenuptial contract, you're automatically recognized as married in community of property. This means that you and your partner share in all assets and all debts equally, regardless of who acquired them. While this may seem fair, it can create financial risk. For example, if one partner has to incur significant debt, the other becomes equally liable. By contrast, marrying out of community of property, regardless of whether it is with or without accrual, allows each of you to maintain financial independence. With this arrangement, you can retain control over your assets and liabilities, providing greater protection and clarity in your financial relationship. An antenuptial contract isn't just about finances. It's about building a secure future together. With an ANC, you can tailor-make financial arrangements that meet your specific needs as a couple. An antenuptial contract is a legal agreement signed before marriage that lets you opt out of the default system, which is in community of property. The 2 options are with accrual and without accrual. With accrual, a common misconception is that parties retain assets that they owned prior to marriage and share equally in assets that they obtained during marriage. This, however, is untrue. The accrual is determined utilizing a specific formula, and while each party is entitled to retain their own assets, there may be an accrual that is payable. Without accrual means that each person keeps their own estate entirely separate, ensuring maximum financial independence. An ANC offers flexibility and peace of mind, protecting your assets while fostering transparency and trust in your financial relationship. Think antenuptial contracts are only for the rich? Think again. And ANC isn't just about wealth. It's about clarity and protecting your rights. Registering an ANC isn't about mistrust. It's about a clear financial plan that can be created. It ensures that your personal assets and liabilities remain separate unless otherwise agreed, you are protected from your spouse's creditors and financial risks, and that your business interests and inheritances are secure. It's a practical step to avoid financial disputes, and it sets a foundation for a fair and transparent financial partnership. Did you know that you must register your antenuptial contract before your marriage day? Timing is critical. Without proper registration, your ANC won't be legally binding. To register an ANC in South Africa, this is what you need to do. 1. Meet with an attorney to draft and sign the contract before your wedding, and/or in traditional circumstances before you proceed with lobola negotiations. 2. The ANC must be notarized by a notary public. 3. The ANC is then lodged and registered at the deeds office. And finally, 4. Registration should occur within 3 months of signing. This is simple, but an essential process that guarantees that your ANC is legally enforceable. Skipping an antenuptial contract could leave you with more than just shared memories. It might mean shared debts, too. Without an ANC, your financial independence is at risk, as the default regime in South Africa is in community of property, meaning shared debts and assets. This means that you and your partner share in everything equally, whether it's assets or liabilities. If one partner incurs debt, the other is equally responsible, regardless of whether it is registered in their name or not, or whether they contributed toward it. This arrangement can complicate divorces, inheritance matters, and business ownership, leaving you vulnerable to unnecessary financial strain. An ANC protects you from these risks, offering peace of mind and stability. Your marriage is about love, but planning your future is about wisdom. Contact us to ensure financial peace of mind. Like, share, and follow for more valuable insights.